Broken brute force protection, IP block. This lab demonstrates a logic flaw where a security mechanism, specifically an IP-based rate limit, can be bypassed by resetting the failed attempt counter. Let's start by testing the login behavior. Navigate to My Account page. Log in with our credentials, Wiener, Peter. Go to Burp's HTTP History tab and find the post login request, and send it to the repeater. Switch to Repeater tab. Change the value of username to Carlos and click Send. The server responds with incorrect password error. Again, send the request with altering the password value. Incorrect password error appeared again. Try to send the request one more time. Observe that the error message changes to, "You have made too many incorrect login attempts. Please try again in 1 minute." IP-based brute force protection is activated, but we have valid credentials Wiener, Peter, which can be used to reset the counter to 0 after 2 incorrect login attempts. IP brute force protection will be reset after 1 minute. By that time, let's create word lists and request file required for fuzzing. Copy the list of passwords provided by the lab. First, create a text file containing passwords. But we cannot directly use the password file for fuzzing. It must contain password Peter in every 3rd line. We can create an interleaved password list using the following shell script. The while loop run until the last line of passwords.txt file. Open passwords.txt file. Notice that the file contains 100 lines. Then interpass.txt file must contains 150 lines. Next, we have to create an interleaved usernames list. Contains Carlos in first 2 lines and Wiener in every 3rd line. Let's create shell script to create interleaved usernames list. The for loop runs 50 times and create a username list consists of 150 lines. Give execute permission for shell scripts. Run the shell scripts. Verify output. Create request file. Copy the raw request from Burp repeater. Paste. Change the value username parameter to fuzz user. And password value to fuzz pass. Also, delete the content length header. Now the word lists and request file are ready. Let's find password. Request. Request protocol. Usernames list. Passwords list. Attack mode, pitchfork. MC302, FR Wiener. Threads 1. Colorize output. MC302 allows us to display only the successful logins. FR will filter out all the responses for user Wiener. Hit Enter. A 302 response for Carlos along with the password is displayed on terminal. Stop fuzzing. Use the password we just found to access Carlos's account and complete the lab.